Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making a nice refreshing summer drink. Yeah, oh my gosh, this drink is so refreshing, it's so delicious, and it's so nice, guys. This is my best ever summer drink, and this is just a simple and easy recipe because summer is coming up and you want to enjoy your summer drink, right? And something nice and refreshing. So guys, over here I've got some strawberries, I've got some mint, ginger, and some lemon, and I've got some alkaline water. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna dunk it in the blender. And this is eight strawberries. So I'm just gonna add the strawberries to the blender, the mint in there, piece of ginger, and some lemon juice. But mind the peps, guys, you don't want the seed to get in there. But I'm not gonna use too much lemon juice and ginger because I don't want it to be too overpowering. I just want it to have that nice mint strawberry flavor. All right, so we're gonna get the water, and you don't need a lot of water. I'm using like 150 ml of water. So that's just all right. That's just like a cup of drink, 1 glass of drink. So yes, so we're gonna go ahead now, guys, and we're gonna blend. So guys, after I finish blending, this is how it looks, and this is the amount that I got from the 150 ml water with the strawberries and mint and whatever. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna pour it in these glasses here. I'm not gonna use any ice because I'm gonna have it now, and I don't like cold drink, so I'm just pouring it just like that. And the remaining I just pour it in the other glass. Wow. So guys, this is a great way to enjoy a nice summer fruit drink. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Please turn your post notification bell on so whenever I upload, you won't miss the video. So guys, I'm gonna go and stay safe, eat healthy, and the motto, you know already, health is wealth. I'm gonna keep saying that in my videos. Health is wealth. So I'm gonna go and big up on yourself, guys, and I'll see you in my next video, which is on Wednesday. Stay tuned for that because I will be posting Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays from now on, right? So until then, guys, I'm gonna go and big up on yourself again, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.